Hello, this is Tina. 5 years ago, some customer asked me whether you have the machine to weld the aluminum. I said no, but now I have the machine, fiber laser welding machine. It can weld the aluminum. This machine is very small and it is very simple. It includes the machine and the laser welding gun. Also, it including the welding wire feeder. Use this material. Also, the machine is very simple. I will open the cabinet. You can see this is a laser tube. This is a fiber laser tube and the cooler. Also, the power supply. So it is very simple. Now I will show you our machine to weld the 3 mm aluminum and the 2 mm stainless steel. Our engineer will operate. Also, this machine, it can weld the copper and other metal material. Now our engineer will operate. The operate is very easy. You can see the welding is wide. Also, the speed is very fast. Also, another mode, aluminum. This is stainless steel. Now he will operate the aluminum.